Hi everybody, welcome back. In English, 26 letters make words and 8 parts make sentences. We cannot speak in English fluently without knowing these 8 parts. Let me come to the topic of today, parts of speech. We have a simple definition to remember it. Words are classified into different kinds or classes according to their work they have done in a sentence. This classification is called parts of speech. In other words, words are like bricks. We place them together to make phrases, clauses, and sentences. Parts of speech are 8 in number. First one, noun. Second one, pronoun. Third one, verb. Fourth one, adjective. Fifth one, adverb. Sixth one, preposition. Seventh one, conjunction. And the eighth one, interjunction. We will discuss each one in detail. Noun. We have a simple definition to remember it. A noun is a word used to denote the name of a person, place, thing, animal, quality, idea, state or condition, or anything that we can think of. We will write a few examples. Ramachandran is an honest man. Deepak went to Tirupati, a woman of great wisdom. He doesn't show compassion upon me. Vishwanath Anand is a man of chess player. She is to be a doctor. Here the given example, Ramachandran, Tirupati, wisdom, compassion, player, doctor is said to be of a noun. Pronoun, we have a simple definition to remember it. A pronoun is a word used instead of noun to avoid repetition of noun. We will write one or two example. Chitra is a singer, she is my sister. Deepak is my father, he is a teacher. Here the given example, she, he is said to be of a pronoun. Verb. We have a simple definition to remember it. A verb is a word used to denote state of an action, state of being, possession, or existence of subject. We will write a few example. Dhoni throws the ball. I am a doctor. She has a son. Here the given example, throws, am, has is said to be of a verb. Adjective. We have a simple definition to remember adjective. An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. It tells about the quality, color, size, number, and quality of the nouns. We will write a few examples. Warangal is a historical place. Give me 3 rupees. The Gita is a religious book. She is a beautiful girl. Here the given example, historical, 3, religious, beautiful is said to be of an example of an adjective. Adverb. We have a simple definition to remember it. An adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb. It tells how, when, and where an action is done. We will write a few examples. He walks quickly. She is a very ugly girl. Anu sings very sweetly. Here the given example, quickly, very sweetly is said to be of an adverb. Preposition. We have a simple definition to remember it. A preposition is a word used to denote how the subject in relation with the noun or pronoun. We will write a few examples. A fair little girl sat under a tree. There is a cow in the garden. Here the given example, under, in is said to be of a preposition. Remember, preposition is placed before a noun. Any noun that comes after a preposition is called the object of the preposition. Conjunction. We have a simple definition to remember it. A conjunction is a word used to join words or sentences. We will write a few examples. Anu worked hard, but she failed in the exam. Anu takes tea or coffee. Anu and Abhishek are bosom friends. Here the given example, but, or, and is said to be of a conjunction. Interjunction. We have a simple definition to remember it. An interjunction is a word used to denote sudden emotions or feelings of the mind. We will write a few examples. Alas, he demised. Hush, don't make a noise. Hello, what is the matter? Hooray, we won the match. Oh, God help me. Wow, what an overwhelming dance. What a melodious tune. Here the given example, alas, hush, hello, hooray, oh, wow, what is an example of an interjunction. Remember, it ends with an exclamation mark. We have learned parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Today's session we will wind up. We will be back with our next video, kinds of nouns. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Have a good day until we come back.